I'm in a car park at the moment, and a couple of little tips for you in car parks, because lots of new car parks these days, or even some of the old ones, they're putting cameras in as you enter and exit the car parks, and it's just to make sure people don't overstay, or people are abusing the car park as a free parking space. So just be wary about when you go into a car park that there might be a camera that clocks your reg number as you're going in. And this one here, it says on the side there, maximum stay 4 hours. You can see it from here. So it says maximum stay 4 hours. So if you stay over that period of time, you're going to get charged. And usually it's a ridiculous amount of money, like £100. So providing that you're doing it for a genuine reason, you're going shopping, then you're going to be fine. But some people, what they've been doing in the past is they'll park up and leave the car there, go to work and come back, or get the train and go to work and so on. So they're using it as a free parking space, which I can't blame them, I suppose. You know, it's going to save them parking up, and X amount of money it's going to cost them per day. So be wary of that. And another thing also is in these shopping centre car parks is sometimes the one-way systems, sometimes the two-way systems. So pay attention to the arrows on the ground, because if you don't, you end up going the wrong way. Then if you're involved in some kind of bump with another car or a motorcycle, then you can almost guarantee it's going to be your fault at that point, you know, or they're going to argue the point. So we're just going to get out of here. I'm just going to turn the other camera on a second. So we're just going to get out this area, and straight away I can see in front of me this arrow saying left only. So I'm going to go left, and I'm watching out for is people reversing out, trolleys sliding across the road, people stepping out, people driving out. I recognise that guy there, he waved to me. I'm sure I'm teaching his son at the moment. And just being generally careful. So there's the cameras. I can see cameras there on the right. So as you're going in and coming out, they're clocking you. So if you do overstay your welcome, you're going to get a letter from them telling that you owe them some money. So be careful. Last thing you want to do is having to spend extra money for just parking up and leaving your car there. Anyway, it's a quick one on parking in the car park. Safe driving, everybody.